Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic salad dressing. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need fresh garlic, a good quality olive oil, your preferred vinegar, and a small amount of Dijon mustard. Also, make sure you have salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of sweetness, like honey or maple syrup, ready. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious dressing. The heart of this dressing is the garlic, so preparing it correctly is key. Take 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic, peel them, and then either use a garlic press or finely mince them by hand. A very fine mince is crucial for releasing all those wonderful aromatic oils and ensuring the garlic flavor is perfectly infused into every drop of your dressing. Now, let's bring it all together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your finely minced garlic with 2 tablespoons of your chosen vinegar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, along with a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then, slowly and steadily drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, whisking continuously to create a smooth, emulsified dressing. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your dressing and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt, pepper, or a touch of your chosen sweetener. If the dressing seems too thick, you can thin it out with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or a bit more vinegar. Store your homemade garlic dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.